Hello, my name is Glassy, and I found some fireworks coming in this cool outsiders. I saw it. Whoa! What the heck is happening? That is more fireworks here. This is also the best one I had. What the heck is this? What? It literally just scared me. Never see this, okay? Never upload a video that has a loud noise. But actually, no, I'm just gonna make a video, okay? I'm gonna make a video with fireworks, so hopefully I see them and not hear loud noise. Just say I got the big power. Whoa! Hey, you know. I get to think what I have. Never expected that for now on. But I can find some fireworks in here and hear them at that fight. Yeah. I might put some cool music inside. So hopefully I can't even hear the fireworks. Cool music. I'm gonna put some music on.
O maybe
It's 4th of July.
It's a magic balloon.
It's
a magic balloon.
Wait, I guess we gotta do it. You see all the fireworks. What did I hear? What did I hear?
Look, there's a tiny one over there. Look, come over here. Let me see how your place. You see, you can't see a lot over here. Stand right here. You can see more. Here, you want me to hold your phone to come taller?
Nope. I can't. There's actually one that I can't.
Maybe from over here, but we can't see it.
I heard something coming outside. Stand over here won't even show the fireworks. Well, I guess what we gotta do it. What the heck? This is so weird. I'm gonna not know what.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
What the?
Okay, ready? Let's try to predict it. Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
That's even well.
Okay, you try. You do bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Okay. Bitty beep, body beep, bitty beep, body beep, boo.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
Ants. Ow! You gave me a binky. That's what I gotta be. So this guy has to stop. There we go. There we go. That's enough. Okay. Okay. What we have to find? It's a firework. It's coming. What could it be?
You want me to hold it? I'll hold it.
No, I can't.
Oh, okay.
You can't. I want to see all the fire. Oh my gosh. Yes, I can. What I have? Oh my gosh. we'll see them. Oh no. What if we find a core? A big firework. That was a big firework. Oh, they're okay. That was okay. That would have been that.
Watch.
Whoa! We found them. Oh my gosh. If I see another one, I will end the video and just stay.
Put it higher so that they can see. I'll put it higher. Okay.
Booty slap, booty slap, booty slap, booty slap, booty slap, booty slap, booty slap. Booty, 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 booty. Down.
Okay, I guess I need to.
You wanna hold it? Okay. You can hold it. Just be careful.
Over there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And cookies. Cookies everywhere. But fireworks everywhere. That was supposed to be. That one just got scared. That just jump scared me. Yeah.
Just around the fireworks.
It's okay. We're gonna find a good one, okay? Please. What do we have here? What do we got? Oh, okay. Okay, another firework gonna end the video and stay awake. Oh my god! Who's here? Oh my gosh, I'm tired. Oh my gosh, where is the firework? This is supposed to be like the worst. What do we find? Well, I can hear some fireworks. There we go. Oh, okay. Well, I can see some cool fireworks in here. So we can find more fireworks here. Actually, we need to end the video for that. I saw one. I just saw one on the background. Oh, it's so pretty cool. That
Go outside and see more?
I don't think so. Well, guys, if you like this video, if you like, oh, okay.
Hey, what is my hat? I need my hat.
Oh,
What are you
hey,
Where you put my hat?
maybe in the okay, I guess so. Okay, guys, it's time to find some fireworks here around Hamacha. What the heck? Oh my gosh, what the? Okay, I guess I have to not know what the fireworks. There's something. That's not even a firework. Yeah, it is 4th of July. Okay, I need to make a firework for that. And I want to make the loudest one ever.
Ahí estaba la policía. Y los chamaquitos estaban rojados, los cuentos.
What happened?
Se paró la
I
policía.
guess this is supposed to be like what? What? Okay, I guess I need to end the video right now because I saw one firework, I
Have you
guess.
seen the kids that they were here like
And guys,
ran?
enjoy this video.